Okay, so before we can start building our blocks, we got to do a little setup. And I don't know about you, but this is always the part I hate the most when I take any online course to set up. So I'm going to try to make this as quick and try to do this as carefully as I can. So if you've already got MAMP installed on your computer, skip this step. Don't waste your time. If you don't stick around, go to mamp.info. And we can use this free version. We don't need to use the Pro. So click download. For Mac, go ahead and download for your Mac. If you've got a Windows, download that version. Once you download it, you should see a little window like this. And you'll want to click Start Servers. Once it fires up, it'll pop open a page at, and note this page, localhost 8888 MAMP, okay? So this is just the landing page for your local install of MAMP. You can find out some of the details here. Okay, and so we're gonna head on up and take a look at some of these preferences. Go to MAMP, Preferences, and let's start on this Start Stop tab. Nothing you really need to worry about. It's just when you turn on MAMP, when you fire up the application, you can have it start the servers right away, or you can manually hit that button. If you like hitting Start Servers and you like that little loading GIF that shows up, then you'll want to uncheck these. Otherwise, I would just leave those as is. Next, on the ports section, just leave it at 8888. If for some reason it's not at that, change it to that, because that's the port we're going to be on. PHP, you're going to want the latest version of PHP. Right now I'm on 7.2.1. Whatever the latest version is for you, use that. Web server. Okay, this is going to be the most important page. You're going to use Apache, and then the document root is where we're going to be storing all the files. So when we download WordPress and install it on your computer, we're going to install it in this htdocs directory here. So you're going to want to take note of this, that for me at least, it's on my Mac hard drive in Applications, MAMP, htdocs. And if you're on a Mac, it's going to be similar. If you're on a Windows, it should be on your C drive. Just take note of where that root is, because once we download that WordPress installation, we're going to stick it there in that htdocs. Okay, and then MySQL, it's just telling us what version we have, nothing we can do there. Cloud, they're just trying to sell us something. Okay, so that should be it. We should be good to go. In the next step, we're going to walk through how to use and install a command line.